User account provisioning and deprovisioning can be a cumbersome manual process prone to errors. So let me show you how to save time granting and removing some user access permissions while documenting everything in SolarWinds Access Rights Manager. We're going to go ahead and grant permissions to the events folder. So let's go ahead and look for the events directory. There it is, events directory. So let's go ahead and modify the access rights to events. So we'll right-click events, and we'll select modify access rights. And perhaps we needed all of marketing to have access. So here's our all marketing group. And then go ahead and drag that to read and execute. You can see it'll be shown as an additional entity. Then to apply the changes, we just click apply. Access Rights Manager will go through and let you know what's going to be changed everywhere in your infrastructure. So right now we're going to change setting by adding the marketing group to read and execute. And universally, we'll go ahead and create new groups and apply the permissions down. Then we can document what's going to happen with that. So per the request of the CMO. And then we can run it immediately, run it during the overnight, or schedule it. This is just another way that Access Rights Manager can help you provision and deprovision your users, in addition to putting permissions onto your groups, your folders, and pretty much whatever other resource you have in your infrastructure.